How to recover password in Facebook Lite if forget. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to recover password in Facebook Lite if forgotten. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Facebook Lite applications on your device. Now tap log into another account link. And then here you need to enter your credentials. But unfortunately, we don't remember our password. So what you need to do is simply tap forgotten password link. And you will proceed to the section. Make sure that you know your mobile number. So enter your mobile number, or you can also search by email address if you remember. So here you have got the list of the accounts. Here you need to choose the particular account which you want to recover the password of. Once you choose the account, tap on try another way, or you can also tap on continue button. Here you have got different options in order to recover your password. You can either select get code or link via WhatsApp, confirm via phone call, or you can enter password to log in. When you tap see more, you can also get code or link via SMS. So let's tap on the SMS one and tap the continue button. Now you will get SMS. Now you need to copy the code and then enter the code. Tap on the continue button. If you wish to save this mobile number for faster login, tap allow, otherwise you can also select don't allow. Now you can easily create a new password for your account that must be at least 6 characters or letters. So you will need this password to log into your account, or else you can tap escape button and then checkmark log out of other devices so that you won't get login or be login still on other devices. Now tap on continue button. And now if you wish to save your login information so that you don't need the login information again when you log in again, you can tap on OK button, otherwise tap on not now as well. And after that, you will successfully log into your account on Facebook Lite. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you to recover your password of your forgotten password accounts. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.